Are, Sandile here. Kyle is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Guys, yeah, as I said on the other video, YouTube tells me that a lot of you are only watching my videos up to about 2 minutes, which is normally like the introduction of like as I'm talking like this. So please don't do that. Please stay longer and get to see the content of the video, and then you can make your mind after that whether it was worth your time or not, you know. But yeah, please stay long. Please watch the videos in full. That helps also with YouTube algorithms and all that. Then YouTube spread the word and share the video with many more people who are like-minded, like you and I, who love working with the garden. Okay, with that said, please do not forget to subscribe, like the videos, and share. Today I'll be emptying some, or if not all, I have 3 packets of potatoes that are planted about 2 months, if not 3 months back. The plants are already dying, or they packed with disease. They're not looking any good at all. So I thought that, you know, I'm not gonna wait until they die completely, so I'm just gonna get them out, take those potatoes out, because I want to use the same containers to put in yams, or amadumbe in my language. In English, I believe amadumbe are called yams. In my language, isiZulu, we call them amadumbe. So I want to put amadumbe. I have a few of yams that are already sprouting, or that they have produced roots. So I want to put those in, because the potatoes are already in their way to, so we might as well do that. Let's get on, let's do that now. Let's see how much potatoes we'll get, and then let me show you how we do the yams. Sandile here, the girl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Let's do this. Right, as you can see, the plant doesn't look so good or so promising in a sense. See, look at this. There's some sort of disease. I'm not yet convinced that there will be much potatoes in here, but looking at this, I'm also like, what's the point of waiting any longer? So might as well. Yeah, well, doesn't look so good. Look at how tiny, how small this is. It doesn't look so promising.
Doesn't that do one?
You know, it doesn't look so promising.
Another one. Another one.
Yeah, nah, it doesn't look that promising. None of them is coming out with a tuber. Oh, at least this one came up with like sort of a finger tuber. At least. Whew, look at that. Nothing.
Soon something will grow up, Dad. Check these.
Look at that.
Check these ones.
Huh. Okay. Okay. Well, they are. It seems that they are tubers, but I think they were still quite very small.
But that's the big one.
Yeah, this one is big. It seems that there's even a worm here. Look at that.
Look.
Look at that.
Look at this one.
There's a worm. There's a worm, you know.
Look at this one. I found it there.
So, which is good. Yes. Tiny little one. This is what we've got so far. This is what we've got so far. Okay, let's look here. This side. Oh, look at that. The original. Oh, man. the original the original tuber did not rot. This is the original tuber that I had put on the soil. It's still there. which means I might as well put these guys back in there because, yeah, anyway, but the plant is dying, which is why
Look.
I decided to come and do this, you know, which is why I decided to do this, you know, because if you look at the plants, the plant,
Here.
oh, thank you, Baba. The plant is like sort of dying. Where are we gonna put this?
I think we should put it somewhere safe.
Yeah, we need to put them somewhere. I can't keep holding them.
Yeah.
Mm.
Maybe we can put this. Maybe we can put it in here.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's so heavy. Not a choice. Ooh, not a choice. Oh yeah, good idea, Daddy.
Okay. So far, this is what we've got. So far, we'll keep looking. Keep looking.
And now grab them for you.
Okay, Baba.
Like a team.
Yes, like a team.
Remember how I've been playing the goal? And then I win with the Lenche.
Yeah.
The Lenche is my brother.
Delente is your friend, not your brother. Nova is your brother.
Oh yeah. Ow. I said I was gonna take it.
Okay, I'll let you take it next time. Yeah, you can see on my soul there is a whole lot of other things that you wouldn't find conventionally in many other people's souls, because I chuck everything in here. Twigs, pieces of wood. I just throw everything in here and then it breaks right in here. It breaks up as it goes.
I found one.
Okay, put it there, Baba. Here's another one. There seem to be a lot of tiny ones.
Yeah. Really
now,
tiny.
I don't know if this plant was still going to put some energy behind growing them, given the fact that the plant looks really bad.
Look.
It doesn't look good at all.
Huh?
So anyway,
And we're gonna wash them.
I would love to assume that that's about
Daddy.
everything.
And we'll also wash them.
Yes, we will wash them, Baba.
I saw one.
I would love
How?
to assume that's...
You lost that.
Oh, okay. It's fine. Let them fall on the wheelbarrow.
Oh no,
Yeah.
the
I
fall.
would love to assume that's about everything there is. Okay. Maybe I put this guy with this tree back in here, and then we will see how it will go. I'll also put the yams in here with this guy.
So we can have lots of
I'll
them.
put some yams by the edges there. Okay. Boys, please. I say please. Put this here.
And the rest of them are gonna grow.
Yeah.
I hope you.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Now we need to go get the other packet.
Yeah.
Oh, flip, the monkeys are here.
Huh?
Packet number 2. That's it. Yeah. Also, it doesn't look promising. Oh, this one might have. Whoop. Yeah, look at this one.
A monkey.
Look at this one. Packet number 2 seems to be promising.
Yeah. I love you, bucket number 2. We seems like more's inside. Stop.
Yeah, most of these.
Maybe there's more inside.
Yeah, most of these are just like you don't peel. You know,
Hiya, hiya.
you don't peel. You just wash, and then you throw them in the pot, and then you cook them.
And then they're yummy.
Yeah, and they are yummy like that. Oh.
You silly daddy.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay. Hiya, hiya. I see
There
ya.
might be more.
I got ya.
See.
Ah,
There we go.
let's see. Beautiful, daddy. Let's search for it. Search.
Okay.
Search.
Move.
Search for one.
Yeah.
Maybe. Hiya! I got one. Hiya!
Yeah.
Hiya, Dad. I got one.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. These guys. Yeah. Throw there. Yeah. Put there.
Oh, it's more like me.
Okay. Let's do this.
Let's
This will
make.
help
Oh,
us
yeah.
do it.
Let's make sure it's. Let's make sure we find some more. Yeah. We're gonna find more, Daddy.
I know. Move. This will help us go a little bit quicker.
Yep, I think so.
Go. Nothing. Move.
Oh,
Nothing.
yes. Try
Oh,
there.
man. Nothing. Right here.
Mosquitoes.
Oh, this bucket was the most
Try
poorest.
there.
This bucket was the most poorest. Gee, man.
Whoa. We should.
Like, seriously.
Let's find it.
There's nothing more to find, Baba.
Wait,
There don't seem to be any more.
then I'll take. Then I'll.
There don't
Then
seem to be any more.
I'll keep searching
Okay.
because
Well,
it's
I
lost.
think we should put the soil back on the. Let's put the soil back on the.
Someone cut this.
Yeah, let's put the soil back. Move, Ngoba, move. Move, Danny. We need to put the soil back.
I'm getting so sad. Then we'll have to find another bucket with that. We'll have to find another bucket with that. And
Move,
so
Ngoba.
we're gonna find one.
This back there.
We're gonna find one, Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna find one more. Then we're out.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ngoba. I know.
Oh,
Move then. Right.
now we have to find another one.
Now, I don't think we should open the third one. I think we should leave the third one because
I want one.
that plant, that potato plant is not looking as bad as these ones. But otherwise, guys, this is how much. This is how much potatoes we got. It is worth it if you ask me. This is more like it. This is worth it. And we're not going to open. Ngoba. Stop moving. Stop moving the wheelbarrow. We're not going to open the third bucket because looking at the size of these tubers, I think they could have still grown a little bit bigger. Might have came in a little bit early, but obviously what made me come in what's the look of these plants. This is not a look of
I found another
healthy, viable plant.
I found another one.
yeah.
It was yellow.
I'm not regretting anything. I'm happy with what I've got.
It was red.
There's a lot of tiny ones here that will be nice to munch on.
Daddy.
Yes, Danny, I put it in here. Thank you, Baba. Okay, guys, so this is our potato harvest, and it is what it is. We're grateful and we're thankful to the soil and to the nature. Yeah, it's possible. Get yourself this container and get started and get going and plant your potatoes, plant your cabbages, plant your spinach.
So we
You
can
can't
be
really complain and say you don't have space and all that, because this is less than a meter. This must be like what, 900 or 90? No, 90. It's about 90, I think. If not 40, actually not even 90. Yeah, maybe about 45 by 20, or even, yeah, about 45 maybe by 20. You know, not that big.
And maybe,
So get yourself this and get planting on them.
maybe we should check
Sandile
this
here, Carl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. I'm out.
one. Look at me.